Hey friends, we're gonna draw winter buddies.
Yeah, we're gonna draw a snowflake and a mitten. But for this lesson, we're gonna use a pencil first to get the shape just right, and then we're gonna use our markers. But you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw a circle for the snowflake over here on the left side of our paper. And we're drawing a circle so we can fit the funny face inside. Yeah, so this edge, we want to leave some space. So scoot your whole circle over just a little. And that's the nice thing about using a pencil is that you can redraw it and then erase any of the lines you don't want to keep. Yes. Oh yeah, you could, there you go. And then our friends can pause the video and take extra time if they want to change their circle. Then erase any of the lines you don't want to keep. Now let's turn the circle into a snowflake. We're going to draw all the details. So first we're going to draw a line coming straight up, and we'll also come down and draw a line straight down. Then we're going to draw a line coming out to the left and also a line coming out to the right. Then we're going to split all of these lines in half. We're going to draw another line there, right in the middle, and a diagonal line down here to match, and then we'll come over and do the same thing going this way. Now it looks like a sun. Let's turn it into a snowflake. We're going to add the letter V on each of these lines. We're going to draw it coming down to the middle. I'm kind of splitting that line in the middle, and that's where the V comes in and connects. And then we're going to go around and do the same thing to all of them. So if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. Let's add an extra detail to our snowflake. We're going to draw short lines in between all of the longer ones. Right in the middle. And we did it. Now let's put our pencil off to the side. We're done using that. And we're going to switch to our marker. And if you want, you could keep using your pencil. You don't have to switch to marker. All right, let's trace around our snowflake. So the first thing we're going to do is actually, we're going to create kind of like a bubble letter when we go around the letters and make them look bigger. We're going to trace around the pencil like this. Almost like we're creating bubble letters. Let's see how that makes our snowflake thicker.
Yeah.
Next, we're going to trace over the pencil line. But before we get to this little line, we're going to stop, and then we're going to draw a bubble around that one. And then we'll trace over the pencil circle until we get to the next branch. That's what we could call these little snowflake arms or branches.
Yeah.
Kind of look like a branch on a tree, right?
Yeah.
We're going to draw the bubble border going around the branch and then come back to the circle. Okay, now for the rest of our snowflake, we're gonna speed things up because we're just repeating that same step. So remember, you guys can pause the video and take that time to go around all of your little branches for your snowflake until you get back to where we started. Should we speed things up?
Yeah.
All right, we got all the way around our snowflake. Now let's switch back to our pencil, well, the eraser, and we're gonna erase the pencil lines that you can still see.
All right.
Now we're ready to draw the mitten. Let's draw a big upside down U. Well, it's going to turn into an upside down J. We'll start down here really low. I'm going to come up close to the snowflake, come up really high, almost to the top of the snowflake, and then I'm going to come back down but stop. I'm not going to go all the way and create an upside down U. It looks like a J or a candy cane.
Oh, yeah.
And you also don't want to get too close to the side of the paper because we're going to add the thumb for our mitten. Yeah, you could come down maybe just a little further. Then we're going to draw the thumb coming out and connecting there around, trying to keep my paper flat. And then we're going to stop the same distance down to match the other side. Yeah, and then down here, let's draw a curve to connect the bottom. And we're going to add a little detail to our mittens. We'll draw two curves, go in the opposite direction, and then connect those at the bottom too. And there's our snowflake and our mitten, except they don't look like buddies. What are we missing?
The funny face.
Yeah, let's add a smile over here. I'm going to draw a big smile. And you could change the funny face too. You don't have to match what I'm drawing. And I'm going to draw teeth on the top and also on the bottom. And then I'm going to draw a line here and color that in. Kind of looks like he's yelling instead of smiling. I like that you're drawing the same. And then let's draw a circle and a circle to match over here. Yeah, it looks like my snowflakes, maybe it's mad at its buddy. We're gonna draw smaller circles in the top left of the eye for the highlight, and then we're gonna color in the big circle. Then let's also draw a funny face on our mitten. I'm gonna draw the smile, and I'm gonna draw the smile open and a tongue inside, and then color the top shape.
I haven't drawn something with a mustache in a while.
I like it. I miss your mustaches.
Same.
I'm gonna draw eyelashes on the mitten. And another eye over here. We did it, Austin. We finished drawing our winter buddies, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up. So remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our winter buddies, and I especially love your drawing. It's always my favorite, and I really like that mustache.
Thanks. I like that you colored yours pink.
Ah, yeah, and our friends can change the colors on their drawings. You can even add extra details, like eyelashes or a different funny face.
Or even a background.
Oh yeah, you could draw more snowflakes and even more mittens.
I also like that we used our pencil first on the snowflake.
Yeah, me too. That's a fun way to draw a snowflake with a funny face.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing winter buddies.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Parents, did you know we have a membership at artforkidshub.tv? It's ad-free, distraction-free, and includes exclusive lessons, printables, and even offline viewing through our app. It's a fun and safe way to keep creating together as a family. Visit artforkidshub.tv to learn more and sign up today.